It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 10. Day 10. I'm going to keep on saying spools of thread until I get a spool of thread. I don't know what this one is. Oh. Oh. Modern American Vintage. What is this? Oh. Guys, if you don't know what this company is, you need to look it up immediately. He has beautiful, what do you call it? Clappers and magnetic pin cushions. Okay, let's see. This is a needle minder bracelet. Oh, with pomel, bubingo, and maple. It's handcrafted by exotic woods, polished with a blend of beeswax, orange oil to bring you natural beauty. Their stuff is beautiful. You need to visit them. Go see them right now and get yourself a little Christmas present. This is gorgeous. I might have to update my the wrist part of it because it's just Velcro, but I don't mind doing that. And it just slides through. Okay, I'm going to see if this is magnetic because it says it's a needle minder. Yes, it is. Yeah, they're not coming off anywhere. Guys, I have a wrist pin cushion for my long arm that I use, and it has literally, it's bit the dust. So this is gorgeous, first of all. Look at that thing. And it works. That's really good. They do move, so it's not like mega strong, which actually I don't mind because you need to be able to get these off without like breaking a fingernail. Okay. I don't know if this is my favorite. It's a hard contender though, for sure.